Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about a whole other topic. Mr. Beast and Mark Rober have a new project. After the success of Team Trees, they started Team Seas, and for every dollar they raise, they will get 1 pound of trash out of the ocean. Let's get started. First of all, what's the problem? Every year, there's 320 million tons of plastic produced, including 500 billion plastic bottles and 50 million straws. In 1 year, we consume 1 trillion plastic bags. That's 160,000 a second. Or, if you would tie them end to end, it would circle the Earth 4,200 times. At least 8 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean every year. That's why we have to do something. Today I'm going to talk about the solutions we have so far. 10 river systems contribute to 90% of the plastic in the sea. That's why the ocean cleanup has created the Interceptor. It prevents plastic from entering the ocean and it's 100% solar powered. This is how it works. River waste flowing with the current is guided by the barrier towards the opening of the Interceptor. Thanks to the Interceptor's catamaran design, the water flow path is optimized to pass through the system, carrying the plastic onto the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt delivers the waste to the shuttle. The Interceptor can store up to 50 square meters of trash before needing to be emptied. This means it's capable of operating even in the most polluted rivers all over the world. When the Interceptor is almost full, it will automatically send a text message to the local operator. They remove it and bring it to a recycle facility. Stopping plastic from getting in the ocean is one thing, but the other thing is removing the plastic that's already in the ocean. That's where their other invention comes in. This is what it looks like. And it works like this. The circulating currents in the garbage patch move the plastic around, creating natural ever-shifting hotspots of higher concentration. With the help of computational modeling, they predict where the hotspots are and places the cleanup system in these areas. Capturing is done by maintaining a relative speed difference to the plastic. The plastic can be caught in a retention zone of the cleanup system. The wingspan speed and direction are corrected and maintained by vessels. Once the system is full, the back of the retention zone is taken aboard, sealed off, detached from the system and emptied on the board of the vessel. The retention zone is then put back in place and the cleanup continues. Once their containers are full of plastic on board, they bring them back to the shore for recycling. For each system batch, they've planned on making a durable and valuable product. Supporters getting the product will help fund the continued ocean cleanup. Catch, rinse, recycle and repeat until the oceans are clean. The sunglasses are a proof of concept for this. This was the video. Thanks for watching. We have to clean up the ocean before it's too late. Wildlife is really hurt by the plastic. So please check the link in the description to donate to Team Seas. Remember, each dollar donated is 1 pound less plastic in the ocean. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.